The following data were collected on the weight and height of women swimmers. Find the least square equation for these data with weight as the dependent variable. If a swimmer's height is 63 inches, what would you estimate her weight to be? Measurement pounds. Correlation coefficient R. Coefficient of determination R square. Standard error of the estimate S of E. S sub E. Standard error of the slope S sub B. And here again, so the data are weight and height, two variables, the population, women swimmers. The displayed data are example. So how many women, weight and height, pairs, yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 pairs, 5 women, sample with variable name, weight and height, measurement, unit, pound and inch, level of measurement, ratio. Least squares equation. Note this. Least squares equation. For this data with weight as dependent variable. So least squares equation. This is the format. Y hat is a plus bx. Y hat is estimated y. Y is the dependent variable. X is the independent variable. So weight is the dependent variable y given. Therefore, height is the independent variable x. And note, correlation coefficient R, coefficient of determination R square, standard error of the estimate S sub E, standard error of the slope S sub B. Note the names and notation. First set mode, on, and for off, this is off but yellow, therefore shift off, here on. Now we have to set statistic mode, regression mode. Here mode 2 statistic and a plus bx 2. We don't need frequency column. If you see frequency column, you can leave this. You don't need to fill. And if you don't want to see frequency column, shift setup, down arrow, 3 stats, on 1, off 2. Now already off. If you want on for other statistic work, press 1. Now you see X column, Y column, frequency column. If you don't want to see this column, you go to shift setup again, down arrow again. After that, 3 statistic, 2 off. Now done. Enter. X you can enter as you like, but you must see them in pairs like this. X60, X1 68 equal to enter. You can go to Y1 and enter, or you can enter X1, X2, X3. Only after that Y1, Y2, Y3. Yeah. Now X1, X2, X3 is convenient, I think. X2 is 64 equal to X3 is 62 equal to X4 is 65 equal to X5 is 66 equal to now 5 data, 5 x values are entered. Now move up to line number 1 or go back. Okay, number 1, move to the right. y1 132 equal to y2 108 equal to y3 102 equal to y4 105 115 equal to y5, the last one, 128 equal to, okay, if you want to check again, move up and see in pairs. Check x1 y1 68 132, x2 y2 64 108, x3 y3 62 and 102. Move down. x3 x4 y4 65 and 115, x5 y5 66 and 128, all correct. Then press AC. Done. This is setting mode and data entry. Now we have to compute y hat if x is 63. Okay, let us explore first. Here, shift, start. Menu comes. You want to know regression 5. After that, you want to know a 1 plus b. Again, shift 1, regression 5, b is 2, b, a plus bx multiplying by x is 63 equal to 106. So this is the answer here. R, here, shift, stats, regression 5, R is 3 equal to 0.9603. Usually you give 4 decimals, 0.9603. The next one is r square. Square of r, press square, equal to 0.9223. 0.92225. 9223. You use this formula to compute SE and that formula to compute SB. So you have data set in it. Just enter the formula. Square root of the whole bracket. Another bracket for numerator. And shift, stat, sum, 3, sigma y square, 3, minus a sigma y, shift 1 stat, regression 5. A is 1. A sigma y, sigma is the sum. Shift stat 3 sum. Sigma y 4 minus b sigma xy. Shift 1 stat, regression 5, b is 2 and sigma xy sum. Shift stat 3 sum sigma xy 5 close bracket numerator divide by n minus 2 denominator another bracket n is 5 actually. Okay, but you can call from here shift stat n is variance 4 1 n minus 2 close bracket for denominator another bracket for square root. If you want to check again, check the formula correct or not. See here, all correct, equal to 4.1231. Next one, go on. You divide SE by square root. So divide it by, now this is SE, you divide SE by square root of x square minus n x bar square. So shift, cancel shift and press square root and shift 1 sum 1 minus shift stat variance 4 and 1 shift stat variance 4 x bar 2 square close bracket equal to 0.92195, therefore 0.9220.